Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today, inshallah ta'ala, we will cover the easiest topic of the Arabic language. I hope you will enjoy this topic a lot, inshallah ta'ala. So let's start. And first of all, in this slide, do revision with me that Murakab. Two or more than two words construction is called Murakab, and there are two types of Murakab. One is Murakabun Ta'amun, means complete construction, and on the other hand, Murakabun Naqisun, incomplete construction. There are two types of Murakab Ta'am, Jumla Ismiya and Jumla Fi'liya. And there are five types of Murakab Naqisun. And Alhamdulillah, from today we have started the Murakabun Naqisun. The first type of the Murakab Naqis is Murakab Tauseefi. And this type of Murakab Naqis we will start to cover today, inshallah ta'ala. And it's very easy topic. You will love it, inshallah ta'ala. So before starting this one, I just want to make more revision about the Murakabun Ta'amun and Murakabun Naqisun. So that if you know the meanings of the Murakab Naqis and the Murakab Tam, so you can understand easily of this topic, inshallah ta'ala. Meaningful unit, but doesn't convey complete meaning. On the other hand, the Murakab Tam is the combination of words that convey complete meaning. Just suppose I will give you few examples. Like intelligent boy. There is this phrase consists on two words. They both have meaning, but it's not complete meaning. It doesn't give us the full meaning. It's not a sentence. But on the Murakab Ta'amun, if I say that boy is intelligent, now it is a complete sentence. It is full meaningful, full complete sentence. Few more examples. This book is just a phrase. On the other hand, this is a book, so it's a full sentence. And in the house is just a phrase. And if I say that Ahmad is in the house, so it's a complete sentence. Ahmad's house is just a phrase. And if I say that Ahmad's house is big, so it's a full sentence. And the last one is Muhammad and Ahmad is just a name of two boys. And if I say that Muhammad and Ahmad are brothers, so it is now complete sentence. So if you see these five examples, I choose one example from each of these Murakab Naqis. The first one is, which we will cover today, inshallah ta'ala, like intelligent boy. So this is just Murakab Tauseefi, one of the example of the Murakab Tauseefi. So inshallah we will start now. Okay. Murakab Tauseefi, descriptive phrase. A phrase of two nouns in which one noun describes the other noun. A phrase of two nouns in which one noun describes the other noun is called Murakab Tauseefi. And descriptive phrase has two contents, two parts, same like the Jumla Ismiya. Like Jumla Ismiya has two main parts like Mubtada and Khabar. Murakab Tauseefi also has two parts. Okay, so Murakab Tauseefi has two parts. The first one is Mausuf and the second one is called Sifa. Okay, so this is the name of the Murakab Tauseefi's contents, or you can say the parts of the Murakab Tauseefi. First one is Mausuf and second one is Sifa. What is Mausuf? Mausuf is the noun being described is called Mausuf. You can also say this word man'ud, because in some grammar books they say the word of man'ud instead of Mausuf. But I will use it as a name of Mausuf. It's easy for me. It's totally up to you what name you want to use, you want to call, okay? And what is a Sifa? Sifa is the noun describes, is called Sifa. You can also say it Naat, but I will use this word Sifa, okay, or Sifat. Sifat is we use in our Urdu language, so Sifa is best. All right. So Mausuf and Sifa, these are they are both parts of the Murakab Tauseefi. So Mawsuf is the first part of the Murakab Tauseefi of the descriptive phrase, and the sifa is the second part of the descriptive phrase. So this is very important thing that you must know, that Mawsuf always comes first in Murakab Tauseefi and then sifa comes. Why I'm insisting on this point, that Mawsuf always comes first and then sifa comes in Arabic language? Because I will explain you this in this slide, inshallah ta'ala. That in our English language, adjective comes first, then described noun comes, like beautiful house. In this one, look, the description, the adjective or the noun which describes came first, but house is a mawsuf. It comes after the adjective, after the sifa. Okay, but in Arabic language, what will be that described noun comes first, then adjective comes, then sifa will come. Okay, so it's opposite. What it will be? Baytun jamilun. So here baytun is mawsuf. It is the first part of the descriptive phrase, and jamilun is a sifa. It is the second part of the descriptive phrase, Murakab Tauseefi. So you can must know that mawsuf will come first, then sifa in Arabic language. It's the opposite of the English language. Okay. So because when you will do translation of it, so you will do the first of all, you will do the translation of the sifa, then you will do the translation of the mawsuf. Okay, in this slide, I will explain you about the qualities of the sifa and mawsuf and sifa. In descriptive phrase, adjective or sifa must match with mawsuf in all four qualities. Okay, sifa must match with mawsuf in all four qualities, like in gender, number, status, and capacity. I will explain you in another way. Okay, these are the four qualities of any noun: i'rab, jins, adad, wasat. So we will check what all these qualities about mawsuf and sifa. Whatever the i'rab mawsuf will have, if the i'rab of the mawsuf is marfu or mansub or majroor, the same i'rab sifa will have. Sifa will follow the mawsuf. Always sifa will follow the mawsuf in i'rab, in jins, in adad, in wasat. So if the mawsuf is muannas or muzakkar, sifa will also be the same gender. And if the mawsuf is any type of adad, like singular, dual, or plural, sifa will be the same number. Okay, and in wasat, if the mawsuf is nakira or marifa, the sifa will also be the same wasat. So what's the conclusion of it about it? That sifa has the same qualities like mawsuf, because sifa follows the mawsuf in all four qualities. So that's why it is the easiest topic, because they both will be the same. So now I will explain you with examples, some of examples from the Quran Majid, inshallah ta'ala. There are two words in front of you: as-sirat, al-mustaqim. So as-sirata is the first part of the descriptive phrase, is mawsuf, and al-mustaqima is the sifa, is the second part of the descriptive phrase. So now we will check the qualities of both mawsuf and sifa. Are they matching with each other or not? So let's start. First of all, we will check the i'rab. The i'rab, if you look, they both are mansub. They both are, the ending of the both words has fatha on top of it. The ta has fatha and mim has fatha on top of it. So they both ending is same with fatha. So they both are mansub. Jins, they both are masculine. They both are muzakkar. Adad, they both are singular, mufrad. And the wasat, they both are ma'rifa, they both are definite. So look, the all qualities matching with each other. That's why whenever you will see in Quran Majid these type of words, you can easily judge that it is Murakab Tauseefi, it is a descriptive phrase, because the both words will same exactly, they will be the same in all qualities. Okay. So now when we will do the translation, we will do the translations of the sifa first in Arabic language. Same in the Urdu language, we will do the translation of the sifa first, and then we will describe the mawsuf. So sifa is al-mustaqima, which means the straight. Why I use the words the? Because the al in the beginning. Al is the article of the in the English language. The straight path. As-sirata means path. The straight path. Okay, the straight is the sifa of path. So do some more examples. Okay, next one, ayatun is the mawsuf, is the first part, and the muhkamatun is a sifa, is the second part. Let's do the qualities now. Arab, they both are marfu. You can see the both ending is with the dhamma, so they both are marfu. They both are mu'annath. They both are feminine. How you know that they are feminine? Because of the atun in the end. Atun is the sign that they both are feminine and they both are plural. Okay, they both are plural. Look, they're matching with each other exactly same. If the mawsuf is plural, then the sifa will also be plural. Okay, if the mawsuf is feminine, then the sifa will also be feminine. So it's very, very easy topic. So atun is the indication that it is mu'annas and it is jama'a. And it's jama salim, sound plural, okay? Okay, wasa'at, they both are nakira. How we know that they are nakira? Because of tanween. The tanween shows us the ending, the matain to the dhamma shows us that it is nakira. It is not marifa because there is no al in the beginning. So they both are nakira, they both are indefinite. For the translation, we will do the sifa translation first, which is entirely clear verses. Entirely clear is the description, or we can say that is the adjective or is the sifa of verses. Okay, next one more practice. Ajrin Kareemin. Ajrin is Mausuf. Kareemin is Sifa. Let's do the Arab with me. You can pause the video and do with me, okay? Do the Arab. They both are majroor. Look, the ending for both of the both has kasra. They both are kasratain. So they both are ending with kasra, so they are majroor. They both are mudhakkar. They both are masculine. They both are mufrad singular, and they both are nakira indefinite. For the translation, a noble reward. Noble reward. Noble is a sifa of reward. Okay. I should write here a noble. Okay. I forgot to write here a. There should be a noble reward. Okay. Anyhow, one more example. An-nafsi is mausuf. Al-lawamati is the sifa. So let's do the qualities of these both parts. They both are majroor. Okay. They both are mu'annas. How you know that they both are mu'annas? Look, in sifa, we have the round ta. So it's a big indication, it's a big sign that it is mu'annas because of the round ta. Round ta describes us that it is a mu'annas. And an-nafsi, why it is mu'annas? Because it is from the mutafarriq asma. Okay, you know that the mutafarriq asma, which I said that there are total 10. I give you the list of 10 words in mutafarriq asma, and then I said 5 of them are very important, which are used mostly in the Quran Majid. So you have to learn by heart. Though an-nafs is the one of them. Okay, as-sama, al-ard, naran, nafsun, to nafsun. So the nafsun is the word of mu'annas. If mausuf is mu'annas, that's why the sifa is also mu'annas. Okay, so they both are feminine. They both are singular and they both are marifa. They both are definite. Okay, translation is self-reproaching soul. The sifa of the soul is self-reproaching. So in this way, you have to do you have to recognize the Murakab Tauseefi. Okay, in this chart, I will try to cover up all of this, the all Arab, Marfu, Mansub, Majroor, and the Adad, Mufrad, Musanna, and Jama. First, I will do the masculine one and Nakira. Okay, masculine for Mudhakkar, I will use the word Rajulun Salihun, a pious man. It in Mansub state, it is Rajulan Salihan. For Majroor, Rajulin Salihin. The meaning will be same. Okay, the meaning will be same. So you know that the i'rab are very, very important, because these i'rab will tell you when this phrase we will use as a subject, and when we're going to use this phrase as an object or as a possessive phrase. So these i'rabs are very most important, that you must know that the Murakab Tauseefi can be rafa, it can be in rafa state, it can be in nasab state, it can be in jar state. Okay, it can follow the any of these i'rab. Okay, this is the mufrad. First part is rajulun or rajalan or rajilin. It is mausuf. And the sifa of the rajulin is salihun or salihan or salihin. Okay, so sifa is exactly according to the mausuf. Now, musanna, dual. Rajulani, salihani. So look, they both are musanna. They both are dual. Okay, two pious men. They both are musanna, and though both are ending with ani, which indicates that it is marfu state. It is in rafa state. Rajulaini salihaini, nasab state. Rajulaini salihaini in majroor state. And for the plural, rijalun salihuna. Here, rijalun is a jama mukassar, is a broken plural, and salihuna is a jama salim, is a sound plural. But they both are plural, okay? They must be plural. It doesn't matter that if one can be the broken plural and one can be the sound plural. It doesn't matter, but they must be both. They both should be plural, okay? So, pious men. Okay, now for the musanna, rijalan salihina. And the next one, rijalin salihina. Now, in this point, I want your full attention. I need your full attention. Okay, listen me carefully what I'm going to say now. If you notice salihina, salihina in nasab state and in majroor state, the both sifa is salihina, salihina. If I ask you in the green one, salihina is mansoob, it's not majroor. In this state, they both are look exactly same. In majroor state and in mansoob state, they both are same. But if I say salihina is mansoob or majroor, so you have to say that it is mansoob because mausoof is mansoob. Rijalan. So mausoof is there is a fatatain on top of it, which is explain us, which indicates us that which shows us that it is mansoof. If mausoof is mansoob, so sifa will also be mansoob. So look how quickly you can identify that in this time salihina is mansoob because mausoof is mansoob. And on other hand, the blue one, if you check rijalin, mausoof is majroor. So in this time, salihina is mansoob or majroor? It is majroor now. This salihina is majroor because mausoof is majroor. So how quickly you can guess now? Remember when we was doing the i'rab, and on this point, when we reach on mansoob and majroor, and on that time I said that they both are exactly same. And if you will say that how we will know that when it is mansoob and when it is majroor, because they both are same. So on that time I said that you will guess so quickly. In clicks, you will check, you will say that it is mansoob or no majroor. So look, you have to check the simply you have to check the mausoof. If the mausoof is mansoob, this salihina is mansoob. If the mausoof is majroor, so salihina is majroor. Okay, I hope you get this point now. So this whole chart is for the muzakkar, for the masculine, and for nakira. Now I want to convert this chart into definite. So what I will do, I will just put the alif lam in the beginning, and I will drop the tanween. I will drop the tanween. So it will be converted into the definite now. Okay. It's not a pious man now, it is the pious man. Okay, and same, the all meaning is there. So they all follow with each other. The first part in all of these, the first part is mausoof and second part is sifa. Okay. Okay, same thing, it is definite chart. And now what I have to do in next slide, I will do for the feminine now, for just more your practice. Imra'atun salihatun. Imra'atun salihatan. imra'atin salihatin. So look, they are follow with all of these one. Okay. For the dual one, what we have to do for the dual one? Imra'atani salihatani, imra'ataini salihataini. So in mansub and majroor, they both are same. For the jama of the imratun is nisaun. It is also the broken plural, the jama mukassar, and salihatun is a jama salim. Okay, so it's a sound plural. And for the mansub and majroor, they are nisa'an salihatin, nisa'in salihatin. So same situation. If I ask you, they both are for the this situation in green one, the salihatin and salihatin. They both are same. But when salihatin is mansub and when it's majroor, so what you have to check? You have to check the mausuf. The whatever the i'rab of the mausuf will be the same i'rab of the sifa. If mausuf is nisa'an, so this fatha shows us that it is mansub. So salihatin is in this time it is in mansub state. Okay, it is in mansub state. It's not majroor. And nisa'in, in the sifa of the nisa'in at this point salihatin is majroor. Okay, so you have to check the mausuf. Okay. And next chart, I just put the al with in the beginning, so it become a definite now. I didn't type here the meaning because you have just put the in the beginning of all of the meaning. Okay. 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 Let's do some game now. If I ask you al masjida al harama, is it Murakab Tauseefi? Yes or no? So you have to check. You can pause the video. Yes, it is Murakab Tauseefi because it covers the all four qualities. It matches with all four qualities. They both are definite. They both are mansub. They both are singular, and they both are masculine. Okay, all four qualities matches with each other. Okay, next game. You have in front of you, I wrote from two different surahs. I use the word. The first one is baladan aminan, and next one al balada aminan. So what you have to do, you have to identify the correct Murakab Tauseefi from both of these. Which one of these one is Murakab Tauseefi? So you have to check which one. You will pause the video and find which one is a phrase, Murakab descriptive phrase, which follows all four qualities. The four qualities are same. So baladan aminan is a Murakab Tauseefi. They both are same in all qualities. They both are muzakkar, they both are mansub, they both are nakira, and they both are singular. On the other hand, al balada and aminan. So what's the difference in both of them? Why it is not Murakab Tauseefi? Because al balada is definite and aminan is indefinite. That's why the one quality is not matching. That's why it's not Murakab Tauseefi. On the other hand, if we check that the other three qualities matching, they both are al balada aminan. They both are muzakkar. They both are singular. They both are mansub. Three qualities are matching, only one quality is no matching, so it's not Murakab Tauseefi. The all four qualities must match with each other, then it will be Murakab Tauseefi. Okay. Okay, one more little game. I'm giving you all these games from the ayah of the Quran. Okay, I'm not using any different words that give you the practice. All practice from the Quran Majid, alhamdulillah. The black words are Mawsuf and the red word are Sifa. So what you have to do, you have to choose the correct Sifa with the correct Mawsuf. If you check the Sifa, they both are, the word is Tayyibat, Tayyiba. So what is in the Tayyiba? One is Tayyibatin and the other one is Tayyibatan. One is majroor and one is mansub. So you have to choose the correct sifa with the correct mawsuf. Okay, so you can pause the video and then choose the correct sifa with the correct mawsuf. Okay, so now kalimatan tayyibatan. So tayyibatan is the correct sifa of the kalimatan, and tayyibatin is the sifa of the kashajaratin. So they both are look majroor now, and they both are mansoob now. It is from the surah Ibrahim. Okay, you can see this ayah. They both what came in this in one ayah. Okay, in this slide, I will explain you about the collective noun. Okay, this is important as well. What is collective noun? The noun which is singular, and a noun which is singular, but it gives the meaning of plural is called collective noun. Okay, I will give you with examples, don't worry. If mawsoof is collective noun, in Arabic you will say a collective noun means ism jama. Okay, ism jama. Then sifa will also be the plural. Sifa will also be the plural. I will give you example. Like al-qawmu, al-kafiruna. Now here al-qawmu means nation, a group of people or folk. Okay, so what you can say, the if I just use one meaning, nation, the nation. Okay, so in the nation it means the nation is the group of people. It's not in this is it is singular. The plural of the qaum is aqwamun, is a broken plural of qaum. Aqwamun is a jama mukassar of al qaum or qaumun. So qaum word is a singular, but this word has consists on the meaning of the plural. Okay, so this is called collective noun. If this has the meaning of the plural, that's why the sifa will also be the plural. Okay, it will not be the singular, because in this word there is the meaning of of plural. There is a meaning of plural. Okay, so al qaumu al kafiruna, it is a descriptive phrase of marfu. They both are in marfu state. Look, kaumu, there is a clear dhamma in the end, and una sound is indicates us it is in rafa state. Okay. They both are muzakkar. They both are in rafa state. They both are definite, and they both are, we will say, plural. Al kaumu is singular, but it has the meaning of plural. Okay. All right. Next one. Al-Qawma al-Kafirina. And next one, Al-Qawmi al-Kafirina. So what you have to do, I want to ask you something which I already explained you before in this lecture. If I said, look, al-Kafirina in the middle one and al-Kafirina in the bottom one. They both are al-Kafirina, al-Kafirina. Which al-Kafirina is mansoob and which al-Kafirina is majroor? If I want to ask you this question, so what your answer will be? So what you have to do, I hope you will say that you will check the mawsoof. You will check the mawsoof. If the mawsoof is mansoob, then al-kafirina is mansoob. If the mawsoof is majroor, then al-kafirina is majroor. How simple it is. So al-kauma in this one is mansoob, al-kafirina is mansoob here. So this whole descriptive phrase is mansoob. And al-Qawmi, it is majroor. Mawsoof is majroor. So al-Kafirina is also majroor here. So this descriptive phrase is majroor. Okay. So how quickly you can check that al-Kafir when this ina sound is mansoob and when this ina sound is majroor, simply you will check the mawsoof and you can guess quickly. So okay, this is called the collective noun. Now I will explain you about the exceptional case, which is istisna. Exceptions is always there. What's the exception? Exceptional case is, and you know that exceptional case is always when the word comes are about the ghair aqil. Okay, which already we explained you in the jumla ismiya. Mawsoof and sifa. If mawsoof is broken plural of irrational, ghair aqil, then sifa can be a singular feminine or it can be a plural feminine. Okay, the both options are open. The both options are open. If mawsoof is the broken plural of ghair aqil, means irrational or so non-intelligent, so what it will be? The sifa will be sifa will be the most chance that sifa will be the singular feminine, and very rare chance that it can be the plural feminine. Okay, I will give you example. Ayyamun ma'dudatun. Sorry, ayyamun ma'dudatun. Next one is ayyamun ma'dudatun. Okay, so now here what you will do, that ayyamun, in both of these they both are mawsuf, and they both are ghair aqil, broken plural of ghair aqil, of irrational. Okay, it is a plural of yawmun. Yawmun is a singular and ayyamun is a broken plural. Ma'dudatun is singular feminine, and ma'dudatun is plural feminine. So in both options are allowed, but mostly you will see the singular feminine. Mostly you will see singular feminine. I will give you a few examples from Quran Majid, inshallah ta'ala. Al asma'u al husna. So look, al asma'u is jama mukassar ghairu akil, is a broken plural. Okay, it's mawsuf. It's a the singular of asma, al asma is ismun. Okay, ismun means name. Al husna, look, it is the standing fatha on top of it. This is called alif maksura. So this is called it is muannas. It is a sign that it is feminine, and it is wahid. It is singular feminine. Wahid muannas, and it's a sifa of al asma'u. Okay, so it is Murakab Tauseefi. One point you can think about that, Al Husna, why there is no Dhamma in the end. So inshallah ta'ala, very soon you will learn about it, that what's the reason behind it. So don't worry about this one. Okay, it is also marfu, but why there is no Dhamma in the end, you will learn this later on, inshallah, in detail. Okay, so the meaning is best names. Another example, suhufan mutahharatan. Suhufan is a broken plural of sahifa. Okay, so it is mawsuf, and mutahharatan is a sifa and is a singular feminine, wahid muannas, and is a sifa of suhufan. So the meaning is, it is Murakab Tauseefi, purified scriptures. Okay, so purified is a sifa of suhufan. This is the exceptional case you can see in the most of the time you can see in the Quran. Okay, next one is jihadan kabiran. Jihadan kabiran. I will do you for a few examples. There are few ayat in front of you. So what you have to do in every ayah, you have to find the Murakab Tauseefi. You have to find the descriptive phrase with me. Okay, you can pause the video and you can find by yourself. Then after that, you check that did you get the correct Murakab Tauseefi or not. So jihad and kabiran, here is the Murakab Tauseefi, and always know that the first part will be the mawsuf, and the second part will be the sifa. Okay, so jihad and kabiran is a descriptive phrase which means you can say the great struggle or great striving. Kutubun qayyimatun. Kutubun qayyimatun is a descriptive phrase as well. So kutubun is a broken plural of ghair aqil, of irrational. Okay, the singular is kitabun. Broken plural is kutubun, which is irrational, which is ghair aqil, and the sifa is wahid muannas, singular feminine. Qayyimatun, this round ta shows that it is feminine, and this round ta shows that it is singular. Okay, they both are rafa state, they both are nakira. So it means is correct writings. Correct writings. In next ayah, if you find the descriptive phrase, I hope you can find. It is al-qawma al-zalimina. Al-qawma al-zalimina. So al-qawma is mawsuf, al-zalimina is sifa. Okay, if I ask you al-zalimina is mansub or majroor, So I hope you will give me answer in clicks, that you will say that it is mansoob here because mansoob is mansoob. Al-qawma. So it is mansoob. Mansoob is in nasab state. So sifa is also in nasab state. So az-zalimina is mansoob here, not majroor. Okay. So the meaning here is wrongdoing folk, or wrongdoing nation, or group of people, wrongdoing group of people. Okay. In next ayah, find the descriptive phrase rijalun mu'minuna. Rijalun mu'minuna. The meaning is believing men. Rijalun is mausuf, mu'minuna is sifa. They both are masculine, they both are in rafa state, they both are nakira, and they both are plural. Okay, mausuf is broken plural and sifa is sound plural. Next one, nisa'un mu'minatun. Okay, so it is, the meaning is believing women. Nisa'un in mausuf and mu'minatun is sifa. I hope you're enjoying this practice. In next page, also what you have to do, just pause the video and find the descriptive phrase. First, if I circle these two, if you just check, are they descriptive phrase, yes or no? I hope you will say no. They are not descriptive phrase because misbahun is nakira, al-misbahu is marifa. So they are no matching with each other. And zujajatin and az-zujajatu, they are no matching in two qualities. Zujajatin is nakira and az-zujajati is marifa. And the first part is majroor and second part is rafa state. So that's why they are not Murakab Tauseefi. Okay, which one are Murakab Tauseefi? Are Kawkabun Durriyun. And the meaning is, oh, you can't see the meaning here. It's a shining star. Okay, the meaning is shining star. Next one is Shajaratin Mubarakatin. So the meaning is a blessed tree. So they both are majroor, they both are nakira, and they both are feminine, and they both are in majroor state. Next ayah is Al-Kitabi Al-Mubini. Why I'm saying both words separately, I'm not saying Al-Kitabil Mubini, because I want to explain you that they both words, that Al-Kitabi Al-Mubini, to explain you that they both have Al. Okay, so all four qualities are matching with each other. So it is descriptive phrase, clear book. Sorry, I should write here the clear book. Okay, that's my typing mistake. I should write here the clear book. Okay, I forgot to write sometime, because when you are writing a lot of things, sometimes is missing. Okay, like I wrote here a bless a, because of why I wrote here a, because it's nakira, is indefinite, but it is definite. I should write here the clear book. Okay, all right. In next page, same thing, find the descriptive phrase. Pause the video and find them. So I color all of these together. I hope you can find it, and I will give you the meaning of it, so you can take the screenshot of them. You can check the qualities of all of these. The first in all of these one, the first part is mausuf, and the second part is sifa. Okay, and you can check the all qualities matches. The sifa follows the mausuf in all four qualities. Okay, so I hope you enjoy this topic. This is, I want to share my notes of my student time when I was learning the Arabic language. As a student, I wrote these notes, and my teacher always liked my notes a lot, and she shared my notes with all other students, and she likes a lot. And what type of I made notes? Look, if you see in one slide, I cover up the whole lecture. In one slide. So I just use the bullet points for making the notes. So this is just the main point, that combination of two nouns. First noun is mawsuf, second noun is sifa, and sifa agrees with mawsuf in all four categories, and all four categories are this one. So there is exceptional case as well. You can take the screenshot of it if you want. Okay. So I thought I should share my notes when I was in student time. So what I did now, I try to copy my notes again now for more clear, because this picture is not clear. So I make a summary of the whole lecture now for you. Murakab Tauseefi is a combination of two nouns. First noun is mawsuf and second noun is sifa. Sifa follows mawsuf in all four qualities, and these four qualities are this one. Definite is wusat, is means capacity. You can say also capacity. If the mawsuf is definite, then sifa will also be definite. If mawsuf is indefinite, then sifa will also be indefinite. In gender wise, if mawsuf is masculine, sifa will also be masculine. If mawsuf is feminine, then sifa will also be feminine. Same in adad for the mufrad, musanna and jama. Sifa will follow the mawsuf. Same for the i'rab. If the mawsuf is marfu or mansub or majroor, sifa have the same i'rab. Okay. And the exceptional case is, what's the exception? If mawsuf is broken plural of irrational ghair aqil, then sifa can be singular feminine or plural feminine, but the most chance that you will see in Quran is a singular feminine. And I gave you example of both of these two. Okay. So this is the summary of the whole lecture. I hope you like it. Now the homework time. What you have to do, this is Suratul Ghashiyah. Okay, what you have to do, you have to find the Murakab Tauseefi from these ayat, from ayah 1 to ayah 14. From these first 14 ayah, you have to find the Murakab Tauseefi. You have to circle them. Okay, you don't need to you don't need to write that this is Mawsuf and this is Sifa. I hope you know that the first part, the first word will be the Mawsuf and the second will be the Sifa. You just circle them. Okay. And what the second thing you have to do, you have to write on top of it that which Murakab Tauseefi is Rafa state, which Murakab Tauseefi is in Nasab state or in Majroor state, because I'rab are very, very important. Most important is I'rab. You must know that which Murakab Tauseefi is Marfu or Mansub or Majroor. Okay. So these I'rab, why these are important? Because in future when we start making the sentences, on that time it will help you, inshallah ta'ala. Okay, this is your homework done. I will give you one hint in it, that there are total 7 Murakab Tauseefi. Okay, there are total 7 Murakab Tauseefi. So you have to find them. Make dua. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.